Got the new Roku wireless speakers. I was excited to check these out. We have a Roku TV and got in on the early sending these out, a VIP program. So let's open them up, see what we got. Happy streaming. Just wait until you hear this. Got our quick start guide. The speakers in our TV are really terrible, but I don't really want to have a surround sound anymore. The first top of the box, and we got the new hub there. A couple buttons, just like a remote. Excited to see how that works. 2 cords, I guess one for each speaker. And nice, 2 sets of batteries for each. Very nice, appreciate that. And then another remote, which I'm super excited about because our kids lose ours all the time, and I think this one you'll be able to find it. We'll set that there. And then another layer. Good, it's all there. And then here's the 2 speakers. Good weight to them. Got the Roku sticker on top. A nice bag. Good quality. There they are. You got the power connector here on the bottom with a place for the cord. Roku logo on the top. Nice with the wall mounts. Pair button. And then another one just like it. So that's the unboxing. As soon as I get these set up, I'll kind of walk through that process and see how that goes. Turn them on and then see how they sound. But they look really good. They've got nice weight to them. I'm going to be mounting these on the wall. So we'll see how that goes. But there we go, unboxing.